Hey, what do we get in the mail? What is that? We got a box from where, Frankie?
Enjoy life. Mommy, look.
And they sent us a letter. All right. The next big thing. What's the next big thing? What is that?
It says enjoy life on the back.
What is it?
Enjoy life lunchbox.
Who's going to take that to school?
Can I?
Maybe one day, yeah. What else is in there?
Cookies.
Cookies. So these are the brand new Enjoy Life minis. Look at that. These are Sugar Crisp, just in time for back to school. What are those? Those are soft baked mini chocolate brownie cookies.
More cookies.
And chocolate crunch minis. Okay, open the lunchbox, see if there's anything inside.
Okay. I see.
Wow, they gave us stuff. It looks like a cookie shirt.
Oh, no.
Says there's a cookie inside. All right.
I want to eat the cookie inside.
It's a t-shirt. All right. Say thank you, Enjoy Life.
Thank you, Enjoy Life. What's this?